Hi and welcome to Mission X. Today we're going to see what zero effort, zero data entry portfolio management actually means. So I've created 4 different projects and they're different project types. For example, we have Structured Agile, a Gantt project, Kanban, and Simple. The benefit being that different teams can work to their style and skill level. Now, if we drill down into every project type, we can see that it's a little mini universe of what's happening on that project. So we have our story, the big picture, which is the project roadmap, where we can see the phases, the people working on it, and the budget, and the weekly plan and some insights to go with this, the team. Next, we can quickly see that the Gantt project is a completely different universe. And we can see that we have different phases and different action items and the end date and budget. Now, if you're the project manager, this is great because you can work however you want. However, when you drill down into more and more projects, you can see that it gets harder to understand where everything is at a higher level or the organization level. So what we want to do is quickly create an organization, and I'm just going to call this my org. And let's start our organization. So that was it. We don't have any projects attached to that, but we can see that we have an organization and we have these projects. So let's go ahead and quickly link our projects to the organization. And now that we've finished that, we see nothing much has changed, except that our projects are grouped under our organization. Now let's take a look at what all our projects look like together. Okay, first we have some news and updates, and it tells me we have 4 missions, 4 team members, 3 unfilled roles, and that's the total budget. Something I would have had to calculate manually or ask people to do for me. And here we have some news and updates. We can see our live roadmap, and this is kind of the big picture of all your projects and what's happening. So this makes a lot more sense than going to the individual projects. And I can also see that there could be a budget problem at the rate Structured Agile is going. Okay, we'll have to address that later. And we get a summary view of all our projects with their budget and performance. And we can see our spend analyzer, what we're spending on every single project. And let's see if some of these projects have tags. Marketing. Okay, so we're spending some marketing money in June and operating expenses. And this was all zero effort, zero data entry. All I had to do was link my projects together, and suddenly I can see the allocation of everybody across all the different projects, and I can see our performance across the board. And here are the different projects. And that's how powerful it is. Now, I linked all these projects manually. What you'd want to do, though, when you're first creating your organization, is just quickly create some projects using a project generator. So I can create Project A, Project B, and Project C, and they're automatically linked to your organization. Now your teams can go and work on the individual projects the way they want in their own style at their own pace, and you get a quick snapshot view of everything that's happening on your organization. Now this is great because it gives a whole new meaning to data ops. Thank you and have a wonderful day.